Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Gmail and go straight to the message. Don't pause on settings, start with the sender details. Click the sender name or the three-dot menu to view full headers and the visible email address. Observe differences between the display name and the actual address. This often reveals spoofing. Once done, note the domain after the @ symbol and compare it to the organization you expect. If those two don't match, flag the message as suspicious before interacting further. You now dig into the technical evidence. Open Show Original to review headers and authentication results. Look for SBF, DKIM, and DMARC pass or fail lines. These tell you how Gmail verified the sender. Passes indicate higher trust. Next, hover or long press links to reveal the true destination URL. Mismatched domains or encoded redirects are red flags. Once you've confirmed headers and links, decide archive, report phishing, or reply. Make sure to document anything odd before taking action. You finish by choosing the right response based on your findings. Report phishing if authentication failed or links are malicious, or mark as spam for obvious junk. If the sender repeats contact, block them or create a filter to route future messages away from your inbox. If the email seems odd but possibly legitimate, verify with the sender through a phone call or a known email address. Troubleshooting tip. If Show Original is missing, use desktop Gmail and clear cache, or try an incognito window to access headers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.